Okay, so I'm not stupid, but I get these things sometimes that I call like hiccups in logic, where I'm working on something and I'm concentrating and I start doing something and I don't realize how stupid it is until I get like frustrated that's not working. And then I'm like, oh, and one just happened right now. I was using the straight edge to kind of outline and draw a house and I put it here. And then I started sketching a line this direction. And I was like, this isn't really working very well. And then I realized, oh, well, maybe I should draw it along the actual straight edge, like I was probably originally intending to do.